Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our Moodle at Lunis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our 11th lecture titled What is Bank Marketing? So I have divided my 11th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is bank marketing? What are the 10 strategies for financial service marketing? Language activities, including building vocabulary. And finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So, what is bank marketing? Bank marketing is a practice of attracting and acquiring new customers through traditional media and digital media strategy. The use of these media strategies helps determine what kind of customer is attracted to certain institutions. What are the 10 strategies for financial service marketing? Here are 10 strategies for conducting effective financial service marketing campaigns. Digitization, user experience, education, social media marketing, customer support, data analysis, customer outreach, relationship building, customer feedback, and finally, creative marketing. Language activities. The word marketing as an accountable noun means the activity of presenting, advertising, and selling a company's products or services in a best possible way. For example, direct marketing already provides a number of ways to target specific individuals. They hope to create a buzz through viral marketing. He or she works in sales and marketing. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.